Refinishing furniture, 13th point. I think I'm going to wrap it up on this one. 13 is a great number to go with. So the last thing I'm going to mention is your dry time. Don't cut your dry time short. Don't say, oh, I'd really like to use this now, and lean into it early after everything you've gone through to get to that point, and you end up leaving dings and dents and fingerprints in something. It's not worth it. So make sure that you are still patient enough at the very end to really let it dry correctly, and then you can enjoy it. Hope this has been helpful.